There are a couple of moments which are really special and joyful, extremely joyful, and where you think, like, wow, this is a strong moment. And it's, I think, in the early moments when you actually, on paper, with a pen, kind of realize, okay, this seems to be a very good way to go ahead, to continue. And where also your colleagues say, like, this is it, let's do this. This moment, like, hey, let's do this. That's a cool moment. Yeah? Then during the process, when you continue and when you are creating a model, you're working on the 3D model in the computer, in data, and you are probably for days and weeks you're considering lines and surfaces and volumes and how the car stands, which character it has, and so on. And then together with your team or with your design boss, you decide, okay, this is it. And then you press a button, basically. You press a button for milling. And then, if you're lucky, next morning you come into the company and your model is standing there. In full size or in quarter scale, doesn't matter. But the first time you see your design, your idea, you see physically, in reality, you can touch it. First time you can touch it. That's a very special moment. It's this wow effect, like, wow. It can be you come in and say, oh no, I didn't see that before. Because you're looking at the screen for days, for weeks, sometimes even long, like you don't get these images out of your mind. And you're turning it around in every perspective, you're trying to analyze it. And you think everything is perfect. And then first time you see it physically, and you see like, that's an awkward corner, I've never seen that before. So you immediately, when you see it, you realize, I would like to change this or that, or I would scale it. I would like to scale it by only 3%. So it's a very special moment when you see your dream, your vision, the first time physically in front of you.